First, you need to get this piece. It has a little Nintendo Switch holder. You need the right Joy-Con. Get it printed side face down. First, fold this one well. And these two. Now this one too. Oh, and there might be some weird ones, but you need to fold those too. This one goes that way. Oh, sorry. This one here. Oh, and these are tabs. They're little things. You have to fold them, this one that way, this one that way. This one goes here, and we're a little sneaky and we fold it that way. And this one goes like this too. Maybe a little hard to fold it like that, but that's how we're supposed to. Now this, you see this? It has to go with these two. And the tab has to go in that little thing, in that little opening, so you can have a little holder for your Joy-Con. Now you have to fold it like that. And then you see this one more opening? You put that second one here, so it looks like a little, like that one. So cute, right? I wish I could keep it forever. Let's see, now you need